Alright, so in this video, I'll be telling you on my way how to get Premiere Pro for free. So my, my boy over here was basically struggling, and he kept asking me, bro, Therese, how do you get Premiere Pro for free? So yeah, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to get it for free. So so I'll be showing you on this full video how to get it for free, along with these other ways I will be providing to you guys. So yeah, so okay, what I do. So never mind, I was a grind. So what you want to do is a smoothie. You're just going to smoothie. Just go up to this. So you're going to go over here to this link. You're basically going to go to this link right. You're going to go to this link. So let me show you the link. Let me find a link. All right, so you're going to open this up. You're going to smoothie. Just go over. You're going to this link is dead. You're going to basically go over to this link right here, right? You're going to hit 1, 2, 3 when you download. You're going to download Remoir 2. You're going to hit download Remoir. You're going to go to English, download it, Remoir.com. All right, so also, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy over here for even sending it through. He's the one who sent me over the Premiere Pro link. So I want to give a huge shout out to my boy right here. So before the video fully start, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy. It wouldn't be possible to do this video if he didn't send me it over. So yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all his ad. So yeah, his ad is movie this. So he sent me over Premiere Pro, the link to download. So yeah, this is at. So go ahead and check them out over there. But yeah, all right. So all you're just gonna do is you'll come in this setup, and what your smoothie just gonna do is no. All right. So what you're gonna just do is it's gonna say Adobe Premiere Pro installer. You're gonna just click yes. You're gonna click continue. So you wanna just basically put in your country. And I did this video for the ones who don't want to do hard. So I want to show you real quick. So you see that War 2 Tails $99. You see 7 point. So let's go there. So all right. So you see right. So yeah. All right. So there will be a part 1 and part 2 on my uncut channel on how to get Premiere Pro for free, because this other footage I was recording it didn't fully finish. So this is gonna be a part 2. It's gonna basically be a part 2 version of how to get it for free, part 1 and part 2, so where y'all could check it out at. So just because the footage that I was recording, basically that got delayed, so it didn't fully save it yet. All right, so let's delete. All right, so what you just want to do is we're gonna wait for this to do this. It's going to come out with an installer tool, and yeah. So I want to show y'all to that over here, overview right here. So you see video analytics. So you can see that smoothly have hit it over 100,000 views. So I wouldn't listen to none of these gurus over here.
So
these coaches don't know what the fuck they be talking about these days, and yeah. So I wouldn't get no advice from no guru like that, and yeah. All right, so let's just go over there. We're just going to wait for it to fully install. Alright, so if this takes long to load, all you could basically just do is now go over to Task Manager and just close it. So we could basically just go to here, and we could just close it. So if it takes so long for y'all to load, all y'all could just do is go to Task Manager right here, and you could just basically open it up and then close it. Alright, so y'all just see we open it up and close it. Alright, so we're gonna wait for this to install, and while this do that, I'm gonna be right back. So we're just gonna wait for this to finish. All right. So while I do that, I'm gonna be right back. So we got at least estimate time, 1 minute. So yeah. So we're just gonna wait for this to finish up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to basically get it installed. And I might not just leave. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay here. I'm gonna just stay here until this is finished. So after this video is done, that's when I'm gonna go downstairs. Yeah, I'm not gonna go downstairs right now, so I'm not worrying about. I want to just finish up this video for y'all. But yeah, all right. So we're just gonna wait for this to finish, and yeah. So if y'all wondering, oh, what do you use, bro, for your videos? Premiere Pro. So I use Premiere Pro. So since YouTube is allowing AI, I'm gonna just give y'all this way on how to basically install it for people who wanna do it for your Faces channel. So yeah, you could. The link will be in the description where you could check everything out at, and yeah. And I will be making more videos in the future too, to show you how to basically make your own thumbnails. So if you want to make your own thumbnails on Photoshop, I will show you how to use Photoshop to create the thumbnail. That will get a high CTR like this, and get a you want to hit 4 to 6% CTR. That's what you want to be hitting. You want to get a browse feature suggested right here, and yeah. All right, so that we have accumulated 4,000 impressions. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna just wait for this to finish up, and yep, so yeah. And if y'all wonder, oh, why did you make an unedited channel? Because I basically got inspiration from Alex Humors, who ran Alex Humors, however you say his name, and also Tim Denny Lavav. So Alex Humors basically owns an unedited channel where he posts all his uncut videos at about YouTube automation. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show y'all. So Alex Mills. Alex Hormozy is where he basically posts all his videos, uncut videos at. So I went ahead and made an uncut channel just so y'all could watch the unchopped footage without it being edited. So it's easier for y'all to understand and do these ways. So yeah, so y'all can rewind it, and yeah. So it's no need to like really edit a video when all I'm just doing is teach y'all about the algorithm. So I mean, other gurus do it, but me, I'm smoothly not doing it. So I got inspiration from Alex Mills. Let's go show his clip channel. Clips. All right, so you see right here, he has another channel, his clips channel. This is his main channel. This is his main channel. He has another one for clips where he posts uncut clips. So yeah, let me go to here, videos. Let's basically scroll down. All right, so he has a clips channel where he posts his clips at. So I want to show y'all that channel, but yeah. Let me delete this. Alright, so this is his other channel right here. So you guys see right here that you see 3.8K. So you see if we go to more, you see September 11th, 2025. So you can see how much times he's basically posting up here per week. He's posting at least 200, 265 videos uploads per week. So if we add that up, you can see that in revenue, this channel made 12.3K. So you can see if we go to you see 4 views. So it's all uncut. So I'd rather just give you uncut footage where I can watch at and really look at instead of like going through editing and everything. So it's like unless you're editing an actual short, then yeah. But right now, I'm not doing shorts. There's no point in me. There's no fucking point in me, bro, posting these methods of where I could post it on uncut channel where I could just smoothly have the footage that to go back and look at it. Like y'all know, because yeah. So I'll have an uncut channel. I was inspired by Alex Hermosi and also ISO Speed. So if y'all don't know what ISO Speed is this. Let me show y'all. So this is who ISO Speed is. So y'all know ISO Speed. Everybody in the world knows who he is. So I ain't even gotta say that. Alright, so if we go to oldest, you can see right here, 52,000 three times right here. So all uncut. I want to just basically make an uncut channel where I could basically give y'all all uncut footage where I could basically see and look at. So yeah, so where I could basically see and go back and watch, and they have methods there for decades. Alright. Alright, so I smoothly can install it, but in the future, when I get my main PC back, I'll show you how to install it, but it's not working right now. So you just want to go to setup. It's not smoothly working. It's not going to work probably. Alright, so you just want to go to continue. And then what you want to do, so you want to basically go to put the crack thing in the folder. Alright, I'm going to just give y'all the download tool. Y'all can do it in the description. Let me know if it worked. But yeah, let me know if it worked. There will be a part 2 and part 1 of my channel. All you're just going to basically do is once it's installed, you're basically going to go to open file location. Alright, you're going to go to open file location. You're going to then drag this crack version into the file. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all this way of how to, like I said, finish showing y'all the way. So what you're gonna do is just go to here, open it up in the file location. Go to Adobe. Alright, so what you're gonna do is just smoothly just drag that. Oh yeah. So your smoothie gonna come up to this. You're gonna just drag this onto here. So once you drag it onto here, you're gonna basically hit replace. So you're gonna replace, and boom, you're gonna have Premiere Pro. Alright? So that's the way to do it. Y'all can also just come up to this right here as well, and just really copy this right here. So you copy this right here, and just really just paste it in there. So you're just gonna paste it in there. Alright, so that's really the way to get Adobe for free. Premiere Pro. There's gonna be a part 1 and part 2. And yeah. So enjoy the video. And yeah. Like I said, the download tool is right here. So you can use it for your faceless channels, but yeah. Download tool is right here, and I'm out.